So this is a wheel and nut cover, and this comes in mostly vehicles like Skoda and Volkswagen, where you can see on the wheels that caps will be there. Sometimes these caps from the factory fitted get lost during driving and gets misplaced. So I have ordered this from Amazon and it has costed me around 200 rupees. So this is a plastic, and inside it is written 17mm. So this also comes with a removable, like if you want to remove it, you can use this clip based thing, and if you want to install it, you can install using this. So this is very helpful, like in order to prevent your car's screws and bolts from rusting in the rain, and it also looks good. It gives you a plain finish and basically a very nice finish to the tire wheels. So you can buy this. I will give the product description in the video, and you can definitely buy this, and you can try it on your Skoda Slavia, Kushaq, or Volkswagen Virtus, or you can also try this on Volkswagen Tiguan. So this is very good, and I'll definitely recommend you to buy this. So thanks for watching the video. Do like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.